Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am unboxing the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag Plus. Opening the box, we got the SmartTags. At the back of its tray, we have the documentations. I bought the 2-pack, so I got 2 SmartTags. First, let's take a look at the black SmartTag. Next, the gray one. And let me try checking the battery. Wow, it is very tight. Let me get some tools. While waiting, here's everything that's included with the 2-pack Galaxy SmartTags. Finally got it open. As you can see, it uses a CR2032 button battery. Finally, I'll show you how I set up one of the SmartTag. First, I installed the SmartThings app. Then, add a device. Then, scan the QR code on the box. Then, agree to the use of location information. And then, follow the instructions displayed on the app. It now lets me name the SmartTag, but I'll use the default name for now. And it's done. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos.